Justice Omotosho is set to hands off and withdraw from Nnamdi Kanus case or face sanction. All right, my dear listeners, this is mind-blowing information. Justice Omotosho is finally set to hands off Nnamdi Kanu's case. It's a condition. Yes, it's a condition. Justice Omotosho is now in between the condition to either hands off Nnamdi Kanu's case, either to answer up Nnamdi Kanu's case or forget the judgment of November 20th. If he knows that he is going to deliver that November 20th judgment, then it is better he hands off, because there will be a sanction. Yes, my dear listeners, I greet everybody where they listen to me through this very channel. Thank you so much for the time you are spending paying attention to me through this very channel. Thank you so much. Yes, this very condition is coming to Justice Omotosho from the global bodies and international community. In fact, the ICC has also gotten themselves involved in this very matter. Omotosho, as it is right now, is to rescue himself or may face sanction. This is the condition put before him. Yes, I'll be taking you into the very video, and I want you to pay attention. Don't go anywhere. Help me to like and subscribe to this very channel, as more of this information will be dropped for you. Please, let's go in and you get the real facts.
Nnamdi Kanu has seen it coming. That's why he's making all these moves you see. So Supreme Court has his case, and now we are giving you another information from our pay court. So pay attention as we read the news in details. The Biafra Nation agitator, Nnamdi Kanu, has asked the Court of Appeal in Abuja to stop the Federal High Court from delivering judgment in the terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government. Judgment in the terrorism charges filed since 2015 has been scheduled for delivery on November 20 by Justice James Kolawole Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja. However, Kanu, in a fresh motion on notice he has just filed, is praying the Court of Appeal to stop the High Court from further proceedings in the charges against him. Remember what I told you? That Nnamdi Kanu has already seen it coming. You can't tell him any other thing. He knows the moves of the Fulani-controlled federal government, which Tinubu is a poster boy. He also knows what Justice James Omotosho is cooking. You know, when you put that justice there, it looks as if there is anything that has to do with justice with the man. This is a man that Nigeria government under APC has used to commit a very strong and heinous crime in Imo State. I'm not even talking about the ones that I didn't know. But based on the one we know, we already know the modus of operandi, we already know his antecedents. And Nnamdi Kanu is fully aware of this. Now,
that is to tell you that Justice Omotosho already have a crime on ground before coming into the case of Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerians, so you can now see the kind of judges they are bringing in to handle Nnamdi Kanu's case. So they know. Just keep watching. Listen.
Yeah. Imagine what they wrote here. Look at what they wrote. I'm not going to read it for them. Kanu is contending that the Federal High Court was wrong in dismissing his no-case submission without addressing the issues of jurisdiction and the validity of the charges he raised. You see, Justice James Omotosho is waving away the issues of jurisdiction, which the appeal court said that for the fact that Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped and renditioned to the zoo based on the conditions of his appearance in Nigeria, which amounts to extraordinary rendition, there is no court in Nigeria, be it appeal court, be it Supreme Court, be it Federal High Court, be it higher or lower court in the entire Nigeria, has...
Because he knows the truth. He knows the truth. He knows that Nigerian government, no court in Nigeria have the right to challenge or try Nnamdi Kanu. So far, the Nigerian government are the ones at fault. Till today, even the international courts have said the same thing. No one that you will put this before that will not defend Nnamdi Kanu. No one. Omotosho know all of these things, and he's still trying to use that trick to force Nnamdi Kanu to go in for a defense for on what? Okay.
The Kanu is no longer on existence because that very law has been repealed. It is now invalid. But James Omotosho, because of his criminal tendencies, because of his criminal activities, because of his evil plans against Nnamdi, he doesn't want to listen or even pay attention to the realities on ground.
In fact, my dear listeners, let me just bring this to summary. James Omotosho, even before he came into Nnamdi Kanu's case, he has a basic knowledge of everything that has transpired. He has a basic knowledge of everything, and he has already, acted what he's going to do in Nnamdi Kanu's case and how he's going to judge it. And if you watch it very well, you will see that everything Omotosho has been doing has been like an acting. Check it very well, you know what I'm talking about. Everything has been like an acting. Everything has been like an acting. So one cannot trust Justice Omotosho anymore. And I will keep saying it, take it or leave it. Omotosho is acting. He's acting. He doesn't want to release Nnamdi Kanu. He knows all these things. And that, okay, now, look at the law. The law that they are making use of to try Nnamdi Kanu. A law that has been abolished. A law that is no longer in existence. Who are they fooling? Who are they? Oh my good God. My dear listeners, something must be done on this matter. We must not give in to this trick. You understand what I'm saying? We must not. Enough is enough. You get me now? So please help me to share this video. Let it go viral and let everyone be aware of this evil. Alright? Thank you.